All right, Sean, I'm gonna do a quick Rover update just because I've been trying to redo the wood trim inside and it's taking forever, and I want to give you some Rover updates. Well, it's been a week, so I went to start it, and yeah, the battery's dead. And I think it said it was at 29%. Let's see. Oh, it made it up to 30%, and that's just wonderful. It was at 0 when I started it a few moments ago. It cranked once and died. I drove it a week ago. I haven't locked it. Locking it seems to be causing issues with the alarm, so I don't know. Shall we? Just for fun, see what happens. Obviously, the trim is still out of the interior because wood. Oh yeah, okay. Needs a few more minutes. Let's give it another whirl in a second here and see what happens.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, I'm tired of waiting. Jump box. I'll put the battery tender back on to bring the battery back up once it starts. I'm just tired of waiting for this thing to start. This should start it right up now. Because jump box. Let's see. Fire it right up. Right up. No problems. I mean, other than the exhaust leak, of course. But, yeah. Now, I couldn't have done that on its own. Come on, Rover. Prince of Darkness, Lucas Electrics. Thanks for watching. I'll get this thing back up and running soon. If I don't get stung by that wasp that is now there, yeah, don't watch out for the wasps on your cars that you don't drive every day.